Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I would like to show you how you can print from PDF Expert. So open up our document. So let's go and do that. Now go here to the three dots at the top right corner, click on it, and now search from button print. So scroll down a little bit and you will see a print button. Now what you can do is adjust a little bit. So you select printer here. If you find it in your network, then you have copies, range, paper size, orientation, scaling, some layout. You can select here borders, single hairline, single thin line, double, and so on. You can flip horizontally. Page per sheet is 1 or 2. Print as booklet. So yeah, here you can adjust everything, and then here at the top right corner you will see this print button, and when you are ready to do, just hit it and everything will start printing from your printer. And that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.